The King Cat, written by Marta Oltes, published by Macmillan's Children's Books. I am a cat, and I am the king of this house. I do so much for my people. I keep them entertained, and I sleep in the day so I can protect them at night. All I ask for in return is some help to relax every now and again. I'm such a good king. And I'm super cute. But something happened this morning. I don't know what, but I must have done something to upset my people. If not, why would they have done this to me? Nobody even asked for my opinion. A goldfish would have been okay, but a dog? Dogs are annoying. Dogs are strange. Dogs are disgusting. And let's be honest, dogs are quite stupid. But as I'm such a good king, I have given him a proper welcome. But he doesn't seem to understand the rules of my house. And it looks like everyone else has forgotten too. I don't understand. Don't they love me anymore? Could it be true? No, okay, enough. I am still the king of this house, and I don't want you here. I don't want... Oh, good. It worked. Finally, everything is back to normal. Nice and quiet. But is it too quiet? I suppose my rules are back. No, they are not. But that's okay. We can make some new rules. We'll make them both together, as long as he knows I'm still the king. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to give us a little like or show us some love.